In this video, you'll learn how to update the meeting location in Calendly. This process will ensure that your meeting attendees always have the correct information they need to join your meeting seamlessly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. Once there, locate the option to log in, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional security checks to ensure your account is secure. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Look to the left sidebar of the screen. Here you will find various options related to your scheduling tasks. Click on the scheduling option to proceed. This will take you to a new screen where your event types are displayed. Under the event types section, scroll through the list to find the specific meeting you want to change. Once you locate it, focus on the three dots which appear beside the event name. These dots represent additional options. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you will see several actions you can take. Click on Edit to open the meeting editor. This interface allows you to modify various aspects of your meeting, including the location. Within the meeting editor, navigate to the section labeled Location. Here, you will be presented with several options for your meeting type. You can choose from Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, phone call, in-person meeting, or select custom location if you want to enter your own link or address. If you select custom location, you can paste a meeting link or provide an address for an in-person meeting. For example, you might paste a meeting link for a video call, add your office address for in-person meetings. Once you have made the necessary changes to the location, look for the Save and Close button located in the top right corner of the editor. Click this button to finalize your changes. After saving, your new meeting location will be updated and will appear on all future bookings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.